Okay, so let's do the final step here. Let's deploy to FileMaker. So we've got this app, it's working great, but we really want it to be inside our FileMaker app, right? Which we've got open and still is connected. So it's really pretty simple. I have to fix that typo there. Deploy this app to my connected FileMaker file. Put that in. It doesn't. That's probably how it got the typo in the first place. Let's just do that. So what this is going to do is it is going to call a special tool that knows how to take all of this code here in all these folders and make it into a bundle which can live inside a FileMaker. So there it goes. And there it is. Beautiful. So what happened there, it looks kind of like magic, right? But now this is running inside my FileMaker app. There's no longer need to have Claude open, no longer need to have this open. Everything is just going to work fine. It's just going to work without any problems. So what happened? So really simply, what happened is the ProofKit called this script, and it knew where this script gets handed a JSON payload, and one of which is the path to this folder here. And inside this folder, inside distribution, we have a big giant index.html file. So that path to this on the disk is handed to this script, and it reads it off the disk, and it shoves it into a field in a table, and that's what we get here. So it's in layout mode. It's just a web viewer, and it's in this ProofKit apps table, which was added by the add-on, and that's where it lives. And so this should all work just fine. Beautiful. So that's the full journey. We've gone from installing ProofKit onto your computer, connecting it up to a FileMaker file, exploring your FileMaker file, building a web viewer app, and deploying that web viewer app to your FileMaker file so it can live along with the rest of your database and be shared with all of your users. We'll have some more videos where we cover where you might want to keep this source code that we just generated in GitHub, or how you want to make modifications. That's it. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.